Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages on Discord. To start, open your Discord or go to the browser and open discord.com. Once you're in Discord, go to a new tab. Search for Likely's Better Discord. Now, click on that link. Tap on it. Wait for it to load as well. And now that you're here, look for Message Logger version 2. Now, click on Download. Wait for it to download. Once the download is finished, go to Discord and tap on the gear icon to go to Settings and then manually add the integration here in your Discord server or your Discord profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.